Hi, this is Melissa with A Creative Journey with Melissa, and today I'm going to show you some really cool things I got from one of my friend Esther's Stampin' Up party. However, if you did not see my post last week about mental health awareness, please be sure to check it out. I will make sure that I put a link in my blog post for this. If you are just watching on YouTube, make sure you check it out. I have my blog link in the YouTube post so you can check out the blog as well. It is very, very important that you educate yourself about mental health awareness. I suffer from depression. My son, Christian, suffers from severe depression. And with his permission, I share some of his story. And it's important for you to educate yourself because not everybody is aware and doesn't realize what they can do to help or what they might not be doing that is actually helping make it worse. So, just make sure that you are aware. Make sure that you get help. If you feel like you're in a bad place or you feel like something's wrong, talk to somebody. It does help. So with that, this is the actual scrapbook page that I made last week for my blog. I did one for the example, but the example one is a little bit different. It's this one right here. But I will tell you that this right here really embodies my son probably more than anything. He is the silliest, sweetest, kindest dude that I know. And even under this beautiful face and smile and silliness, sometimes can be a really, really dark place. So make sure that you educate yourself and make sure that you have some compassion for those that may suffer from depression and mental illness. So with that, I'm going to show you some really awesome things that I got with my Stampin' Up friend Esther. She was having a party and I love to support my fellow crafty people. I do not, Esther doesn't sell it, she was just having a party. So I supported her in that way. But if you are interested in any of these items, our previous, I'm not able to talk today, can you tell? It's just not happening for me today, I guess. Anyway, one of our awesome creative crew members that were with us before but has now ventured on to her own Stampin' Up venture, Brandy, she sells Stampin' Up, and if you need any of these items, some of them may be discontinued, but if you need any of the newer items that I did purchase, I will put a link for her, and I know she is fantastic. Her customer service is phenomenal, and I know she'll help you out. So, with that, I wanted to show you these beauties that I got. I'm really excited to create with them. I don't know if you like punches, but I saw these, and it made me think of my boys and my husband. Although I say my boys, I actually mean all three of them, my two sons and my husband. But anyway, so I'm really excited about these. This one right here is called the Taylor Tag Punch, and the number on it, do I have a number on it? I do not. I do not have a number on it on the packaging. So, oh wait, yes, I think I do. I think it's 145667, but don't quote me. And then I have this one, which is called Best Bag... There's number 2, Best Badge Punch, and that I believe is 140633. So I believe those are the numbers for those beauties, but if not, just look up Best Bad. I can't say this, I just can't. Best Badge Punch. Woohoo! And then here we have Tailored Tag Punch. How do you like that? So we have these two, and then we have all these awesome ones that I will show you. These are really cool. I like the type of impression that they leave. They're embossing folders. These are really kind of cool. Actually very cool. These are dies. So I'll show you those in just a second. So I want to show you this right here. I did not actually make an example of what it looks like with paper. I just figured I'd show you the embossing folder. And I just think this is fantastic. Blah! I cannot talk today, I'm telling you. I think because Mother's Day is upon us, and my husband's birthday is also upon us. His birthday is Mother's Day, so we are celebrating his birthday tomorrow. You ask, why would you do that? Because it was my choice. He's had Mother's Day before with his birthday, and I don't think it's fair. I think his birthday was here before I was a mother, so I think it's important that we celebrate him because he's pretty flippin' awesome as far as I'm concerned. So we are celebrating tomorrow John's birthday. So if you feel the urge to say happy birthday to my fantastic husband, you will be entered to win another extra prize. So I'm not even going to tell you what it is. That's in addition to the normal one that we give away every week. So make sure you say happy birthday to my husband. It's important. I love it. Now, whether you comment on YouTube or you comment on our blog or even my Facebook page, any of those, you say happy birthday, you're in. Trust me. So this one right here, this is called Seaside. And let's see, 141481, I believe, is the number. And I just love this. I think it's really cool, and I think it would be great for so many different things. It doesn't even have to be necessarily like seaweed. I think it's really cool. So hopefully you like it too. And next we have this one. This is called Simple Stripes, but I've seen people cut them apart and actually make flowers out of them because they have such a great groove. So you know how, I think it was Tim Holtz, there's a few other ones that people that have those embossed or die cut type dies that you can have with the texture on them. You can just cut these up and turn them and make flowers. I will do that. I will make sure I try to make one of those videos for that. You know, I say I do all these things and then sometimes I forget. So if there's something you want to see and I said I'll do it and I forgot, that's just because I'm old. I'm sorry, I'm going to be 50 this year and I feel like my brain sometimes is 75 and I wish I could download the extra information that I don't use. But unfortunately, that's not the case. So with that, we're going to move on to this one. This is like one of my favorites that I'm super duper excited about. It's 145649. How cool is this? This is called the Scattered Sequin. I am so excited about this. I can't even stand it. Look at that. Is that not so cool? I just love it. I can't wait to make something with that. It's just so fun. So I'm very excited about that. I get excited about this stuff. I'm very blessed that I'm able to buy some new things, and I'm very excited to show you guys them. And if you, like I said, if you're interested in buying any of these things, some of them may be retired. I think the one thing I was going to show you is retired. And I don't think there is any more in stock. There might be, but I'm not sure. But the rest of them I think are relatively new. So this is like a wood panel. And how beautiful would that be inked? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And these are really super thick embossing folders. They really, really are amazing. And the cool thing about this too is that it's a 5x5, I believe. Is that right? I think that's what it says. Let me see here. No, I'm sorry, better. It's 6x6. So instead of just trying to get that one little part of your card, these are a really larger size. They're a little bit more expensive, but I'm very excited about it. I'm pretty excited that we're going to be getting into those. And like I said, we have these awesome punches here. These are fun, of course. Who doesn't love a little punch? And I like using punches, especially with my sentiments and things like that. That's pretty fun. So the other thing that I saw that I thought was really neat, and I loved how this came, and this was so unbelievably inexpensive, I bought a few of them because I knew that I'd be making a few different projects with it. This is one of their little paper pumpkin sets. It's really cute. And it comes with a stamp, which, as you know, I normally just have my own stamps. I don't normally buy something else. But this was so darn cute, I had to buy it because it's, to me, and also you get a marker. How cool is that? So you get a marker, and it also comes with all these great little, I guess, what would be the best, Project Life type-esque or planner-esque things in here. So you get this stamp, and you get this little ring, and you get this awesome washi tape. You also get these little tabs for your files if you need them. And then these are awesome for your planners. You can put, whoopsie, you can put these in your planner. I just think they're really neat. And I love how they worked here. And if you don't want to use them for your planner, you can always cut them down and put them in one of your books for your scrapbooks, or use it for journaling on the front or the back. I just think it's really neat. So there's a lot of different things you can do. I have some planners. I like planning. I think it's cool, but I still like to write lists. Someday I will not make a list, but until then, it's going to happen. I have lists on my phone, I have lists in paper. I am a list girl, so maybe someday I'll just make a planner of lists. That'd be kind of cool, actually. I know people have done it before, but I just have not gotten that far. I do like the planners. I do like, I love the beauty in which people create with their planners, etc., but I think that this was such a great kit. I want to say if it was $5, I would be surprised. I can't even remember, to be honest with you, but I just thought this was really cool. So I believe Paper Pumpkins kits are still ongoing. I don't think they've discontinued them totally. I just think that this is discontinued. So you might want to check them out. They're kind of cool. Anyway, so this is all I've got for you today. I do not believe I will be having a video for the next 2 weeks, so don't be surprised if I don't. I've got a lot of stuff going on the next couple weeks, including my awesome baby son's graduation from high school. So I will be busy. Wish me luck, and I will be, I promise, making it up for you on the other end as far as giveaways. If I'm not, if I go dark as far as not having a blog post, don't worry, I'm good. It's just that I'm busy with friends, family, and love, and fantastic things happening, and I appreciate your support. So with that, make sure that you're a subscriber to YouTube and you're a subscriber to our blog and email post, because that enters you to win into any of our giveaways. If you do not have matching names, you need to let me know, because otherwise I will not think you're subscribed to both, therefore I will not put you in for the giveaway. So with that said, I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed this creativity extravaganza, and I hope that you really realize how lucky and blessed that I feel that you come and check out what I'm doing, and you are excited about the things that I'm doing, and that you want to hear from me and what I think is cool and what's neat. And I'm super honored, and I hope that you know that I am really looking forward to the rest of the year. I've got some really exciting news and really exciting things coming, and I can't wait to share it with you. So with that, I am going to sign off. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I also hope that you enjoyed going on a creative journey with Melissa. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.